ICTQual is offering you Level 6 Diploma in Information Technology Engineering, 360 credits, 3 years. A cutting-edge qualification designed for those who want to lead in the dynamic and ever-evolving world of IT engineering. Information Technology Engineering combines the principles of engineering with the power of information systems, as businesses and industries increasingly rely on technology. IT engineers play a crucial role in developing and maintaining the systems that power everything from cloud computing and big data to cybersecurity and network infrastructure. This certification is best for jobs, and also this certification is verified by British Council. This course has 36 mandatory units which will be completed in 3 years. Each year you'll study 12 units and earn 120 credits, total in 360 credits by the end of the program. Year 1, Foundation and Core Concepts, 120 credits. Year 2, Specialized IT Engineering, 120 credits. Year 3, Professional Development and Advanced Implementation, 120 credits. This course is ideal for aspiring IT engineers, software and systems engineers, IT professionals and technicians, graduates in computer science or information technology. Route for candidates with no experience. The candidate enrolls in the program at an ICTQual approved training center. Learners will be required to complete and submit assignments based on the course's learning outcomes. These assignments will test the learner's understanding and application of the course material. Route for experienced and competent candidates. The candidate must have at least 6 years of verified experience in information technology engineering or a related field. This experience must be relevant to the learning outcomes of the qualification. The candidate must submit documentation and evidence of their work experience to demonstrate competence in the required areas. This can include job roles, responsibilities, and tasks performed that align with the learning outcomes of the course. All ICTQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest ICTQual approved center. Visit our website at www.ictqlab.co.uk for more qualifications and information.